Sunday with me. I plan to do a whole self-care Sunday. I feel so terrible today, like I'm not feeling well at all. But first, let's cook lunch. I'm going to be doing this vlog voiceover style because most of the clips in this vlog has been sped up because I don't want the vlog to be too long. So for lunch in dinner today, I made a roasted butternut with mutton stew and a rice, and she most definitely was a goodie. I saw this butternut recipe on Instagram and I told myself I'm definitely gonna try it out, and I absolutely love the way it tastes. I swear I don't think I will ever eat butternut with alcohol and syrup. After I ate lunch, I decided to clean up my room a bit, like dust off and things like that, and like organize my stuff a little bit so that I can feel a little bit normal. That moment I was feeling hella crazy because my room was so dirty. When I was done organizing and cleaning my table, I made up my bed and folded and put away my laundry. I absolutely hate that part, like doing my laundry, not the bed, but the putting it away part. Oh, can't stand it. One thing about me, I absolutely love scented candles. Like, yo, I wish I could buy me like a whole lot of scented candles. Like, yo, that is my moment of peace. Let's do a shopping haul. So I bought myself some Vaseline lotion, some Revlon conditioner, and some olive oil deep conditioner from Palmer's. I bought me some conditioner and shampoo from Organics. They have a special on by clicks for both bottles for 130. Then I got a few masks, a facial cleaning brush, and something that I can put in my tablet so I can remember to take it. I washed my face with some Dove soap and then I exfoliated. Like, this felt so good. And when I was done washing my face, I put on a face mask. I used a hyaluronic and retinol face mask. It felt amazing on my face, and when I took it off, my skin felt nice and moisturized, and it was so hot on it that I really didn't feel like taking it off. But she most definitely was a goodie. Definitely do recommend. When I was done doing my skincare, I definitely took on the task that I knew was gonna take the most time. Like, let's do this hair. I washed my hair with the Organics shampoo and conditioner. It's a daily care 2-in-1. It's the organic aloe vera. Love the smell, and it makes your hair feels nice and moisturized. It doesn't feel dry and brutal like other shampoos makes it feel. And to condition, I also use the Organics conditioner NTA for the ginseng and almond oil. Oh, this always does the trick. Smells amazing and makes my hair feel so soft and moisturized. When I say moisturized, my hair really felt loved. When I was done rinsing off the conditioner, I put on this deep conditioner by Palmer's, the olive oil deep conditioning pack. It has vitamin E in it. It's a shine therapy. Like this stuff, it always does what it needs to do. Like definitely do recommend. I got this from my aunt. I'm like, thank you so much for putting me on. Like I would always use this stuff. Like out of this pick, I get two uses because my hair is not that long. They also sell it by clicks. It's 37 rand for this pick. Absolutely love it. It's very much giving powers. Please sponsor me. And when I'm done putting it on my hair, then I just put on a plastic just to give that heat that it needs. And when I'm done taking off the plastic, I will just rinse out my hair and then I'm gonna blow dry. There I show you halfway done. And that's me done blow drying my hair, and then I flat ironed it, and here is the final look. I absolutely love the way it turned out. My hair feels so soft, moisturized, and loved. Just look at that bounce. Oh, love it. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.